Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about a strategy called the Widowmaker Press. It's pretty straightforward. The statistics on this say that you should beat the casino 90% of the time. I don't know about that, but not over a lifetime, but in a session. So if you play this multiple times forever, you're eventually the house is gonna come back with their house edge and take you over. So I'm gonna teach it to you. This is a high pressure, short session, sniper style strategy designed to capitalize on heat, pressing hard for profit, and exiting at the right time. So the strategy isn't about sitting at the table for hours. It's not for grinders. It's for domination. So this is a get in quick and leave. Take your profit, set your goals, and leave. Think of it as the Vegas style tactical strike. Get in, get the money, get out before the odds turn on you. So today's bankroll is $2,500 as usual. A recommended bankroll would be $1,000 for this. We'll have to go through 3 to 5 rolls and see how it goes. So step 1, easy. Don't bet on the come out roll. Wait and let the shooter establish a point. So you could bet on the come out roll and have your 6 and 8 working. That's always an option, but we're not going to do that right this minute. So basically what it is, it's 30 on the 6 and 8. If 6 hits, that pays 35, you rack 5, you go to 60. If 60 hits, that's easy. 70, you go to 120. Now that you have 120 out, if that hits, you take it down. Everything that you have, you take it down back to the base bet so you can lock in profit. Very, very easy. We'll do some rolls where we'll do the 6 and 8 after the come out, and we might do some rolls with the 6 and 8 working on the come out. So let's see how we do. All right, let's get some dice, and those look pretty good. We're coming out, and 7 out. All right, if we would have had the 6 and 8 working, that would have been a loss. And 8, the point is 8. And we are going to go in for, we got 25. There's our 25. We capped at 6 and 8. So we are into this for 60 bucks. And we're rolling. And 6. Easy math all day long. 30 pays 35. We will rack that up, or we will press that up to 60, rack to 5, and we're rolling. And 7 out. All right, we take all this down. And you might have to go through a few of these rolls to get a good shooter. And we're coming out. 8. The point is 8. easy 6, 8, $60 in. And we are rolling. And 4 for the easy way. And 8 the hard way. That's the point. And 30 pays 35. We'll press that up to 60 and rack the 5. And we're coming out. Our numbers are off. And two craps, AC or aces. And 10. The point is 10. Our place bets are working now. And 6. 6 the easy way. 30 pays 35. Press it up to 60. Rack. And 6. All right. 60 pays 70. We are going to press that up to 120. Rack the 10 bucks. And roll them. And 6 again. All right. So 120 pays 150. And this is the time, okay? We won that 120. That means we regress back down all of our bets back to the base. And we are now profiting $170. This makes back anything we lost, and we have a little surplus. This is technically now casino money. And we are rolling. And 7 out, okay? Good example of a regression. Perfect, because if we would have pressed one more time on this, that would have been down the tubes. All right, we're still in the positive just a little bit. We have some casino money in our rack. All right, and we're coming out. And 7. Pay the line. Take the don'ts. And yo 11. That's another pay the line. And 7. Pay the line. And 6 the hard way. All right. Pretty easy strategy here. 30 on the 6, 30 on the 8, and we're rolling. And 4 for the easy way. Nothing happened, nobody home. And 6. 6 is the point. We get paid $35 for our $30 bet. We will then press that up to 60, rack the 5. And we are coming out again. And 4 for the hard way. All right, our numbers back in play. We're looking for 6s really. And 4 point. Nothing happening. And we're coming out. 2 craps, aces. Nothing happening. And 6. 6 is the point. Our place bets were off. And we're looking for 6. 10. 10 the hard way. All right, let's go. And yo 11, nothing happening. Looking for 6. Yo. 4. 4 the easy way. And 5. Nothing happening for us. And 3. 3 craps, acey deucey. Nothing happening for anybody. 10. 10 the easy way. 8. 8 the easy way. Boy, that was a lot of outside numbers. And 30 pays 35. We're going to press to 60. We've got 60 and 60. And 9. Center field 9. The neener. 2. 2 craps aces. And 8. 8 the easy way. $60 pays 70. We're going to press to 120. We're looking for an 8, actually. Back to back. And 7. 7 out. That's too bad. Okay. That was a bad loss. Most of this, I think all of it was casino money. We drop that back, turn off. Let's do a countdown. Nothing with the 2000 has changed. We've got 475, 500, 525, 535. We profited $35 off of one roll, hit our goal, regress down. We had a second roll going and close to our goal and regression, but we're still up 35 bucks. Yeah, still not bad. Not bad. One thing that you can do if you want to add some chaos into this is after 2 successful press cycles, you could drop $5 on a horn bet or like a horn high yo. You know, by that time you have made that $5 to do that. You could throw it on a hot bet. You know, let's say a 9 hit and you might throw $5 on the 9s right there. 250, 250. Or you say 6-3. Say hop the 9, 6-3 high. So you'd have 3 on 6-3 and 2 on 5-4. You know, if you want to spice it up, it's not going to break your bankroll, but only do that after you've hit twice on numbers. So make sure that you set a win goal or session control. If you aim to win anywhere between 150 to 300 per session, that's 15 to 30% of your bankroll. You know, you've got to start doing that. If you hit one full press cycle, you will be up $200, okay? We hit one full press cycle, and we almost hit it again. 6 and 8 are fantastic numbers to bet like this. Once hit, your goal, you might press again or walk if you go to a second cycle. If you miss, shut it down. You know, come back at another time. Go grab something to eat. It's up to you. So here's some takeaways for you. Wait for the point, then attack the 6 and 8. Use the 30, 60, 120 press ladder like I showed you, and then take 150 profit and then regress all your bets that you have out there. You could have both of the bets all the way up to 120. Once one of those hits, regress it all back down to the minimum or stop playing for the rest of that roll. Just because you're standing there doesn't force you to play every single roll. And then follow strict rules for the pulling out of the game. No hit or one loss. You know, put some parameters around it for yourself. And then you can use the chaos add-in if you've locked in a win. Walk with profit, not potential. All right, that's it. The Widowmaker Press. Very straightforward and easy. This is how you hunt for profit with a very low house edge without playing the pass line or the com with the odds. It's about 1.51% house edge on the 6 and 8. Very, very safe and strategic. You don't need to beat the house forever. You just need to beat the house one session at a time. All right. I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for watching Craps University, and we'll see you at the table.